Hello and welcome back to Guwahati Reviews. Today we are back with another exciting park review, and this time we are at Amrit Udyan. The park was inaugurated in 2022 in August. It's been 2 years now, so let's dive in and see what the park has to offer. Amrit Udyan is located on Hengrabari Road near the Kamrup Metro Deputy Commissioner's office. As soon as you step into the park, you'll notice something special. Statues of 8 iconic freedom fighters from Northeast, which is giving the park a unique cultural touch. What makes this park different is the landscape. It's not flat but undulating, which makes it more scenic and interesting. And on the opposite of these statues, we have the water fountain, which lights up in the evening hours. Here we have the yoga center. It's a corner for relaxing, meditating, or just sitting and unwinding. Next, we have the children's park. It's apparently packed with fun activities. So let's take a closer look at the condition of these play areas. The park also has a rock climbing wall. Let's see how well maintained it is. The structure that you see behind me was a nursery, which has now turned into a children's playground. So let's go inside and check it out. Inside the playground, we have 3 activities. One is this chess play, the other is the trampoline, and over there we have the soft play station. One of the park's most unique features is this roller skating rink. We have heard they even offer skating classes here. So if you've got your own wheels or you're looking to learn, then this is the place to be. For those who love a good view, Amrit Udyan offers 2 viewpoints where you can enjoy a bird's eye view of the surrounding area. So let's go. The park also has a cafeteria, which I think is a feature missing from few other parks in the city. The park also has a spacious parking area. And let me show you something interesting. Here's a charging station for electric vehicles, but unfortunately, it's not working. When it comes to facilities, the park provides washrooms for both men, women, and also specially abled visitors. So let's check out the condition. Are they clean and whether the taps have water or not? Before you plan your visit, here's everything you need to know. Amrit Udyan is open on all days except on Mondays from 11 AM till 9 PM. Entry fees are ₹10 for children, 3 to 10 years, ₹30 for adults, 11 to 75 years, and free entry for those above 75 years. The park is also open for morning walkers from 5 AM to 7:30 AM for free. If you are a photographer, please note there's a small extra fee for bringing your camera. Now let's wrap it up with my ratings. On a scale from 1 to 5, for the cleanliness and maintenance, I would give the park a solid 4. For the look and feel, I would rate it 4 as well. Overall, I would give Amrit Udyan a total 4 out of 5. Whether you're here for a relaxing stroll or a yoga session, a fun time with the kids, or even a roller skating experience, there's truly something for everyone in this park. Thank you for joining us on today's episode of Guwahati Reviews. Let us know in the comments what you'd like us to explore next. Till then, stay tuned and keep following G+.